In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to set custom margins in MS Word document. First of all, we need to open the document which you want to edit, and after opening the document, I open the document in MS Office 2021 version. We are opening the document in other version. The features may be slightly vary. We are at the home, and we are going to go to layout and go to margins. A pop-up will be open and go to custom margins. Here by default it is 1 inch, that is 2.54 centimeters. We can I am setting it as 1.5 inch by typing it 1.5 inch at the top, 1.5 inch at the bottom, 1.5 inch at the left by typing 1.5 in and 1.5 in, and click OK to see the changes effect. And this is how we can set the margins in MS Word document. Thank you.